Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 4 of our class for this winter session. We are almost done. It's crazy. And I just wanted to quickly remind you what you're responsible for this week. I'll start with sharing my screen. So if you remember last week, you did yourself in week 2 you did your self-assessment of your Myers-Briggs, what you thought your results might be. And then last week in week 3, when I commented on your assignment, I uploaded a copy of your results, and that's what you used to write your reflection on the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator Assessment um, reflection assignment. So this week we're doing the same exact thing. So last week you did your self-assessment of what you thought your strong interest inventory results might be. This week by Tuesday, usually on that assignment, I will have graded it and I will have uploaded your results. And so you will use those results that I posted there to write your reflection this week, because this week you have to write a reflection on the results of your strong interest inventory. So just to share my screen, basically this week, you're responsible for writing the strong interest inventory reflection. And then I have a bunch of videos here on how to access some resources, but just to kind of give you a quick overview, on our Career Center homepage, if you scroll down, these are the resources we're going to be using this week, specifically Candid Careers, Eureka, for the skills assignment, because this week you have to do a discussion based off skills. Um, you're going to go on our Career Center website, you're going to click on Eureka. And when you click on Eureka, it's going to ask you to log in or create an account. You're going to create an account because we have an account for all of you. And then when you log into that account, this is what it's going to look like. So I have videos that show you, but you're going to basically do the OcuSort and the micro skills assessment. They're really easy. They're really quick. Um, and they give you suggested occupations. Here's what my results look like specifically. It has results based off my skills. It gives me my top skills. So these resources, the OcuSkills and the the Ocu the micro skills and the OcuSort you'll use for the skills discussion this week. So three things this week. One is the strong interest in inventory reflection. Two is take those assessments in Eureka and complete the skills discussion. And the third thing you're responsible for this week is the informational interview assignment, which I also have videos showing you how to do, but it's the same place. If you go to our Career Center homepage and you click on Candid Careers, you have to go through our homepage because we pay for a subscription for you to access through our website. So when you click on Candid Careers, you're gonna have a more in-depth video, but basically it takes you to this website and you can look up professionals. These are informational interviews that have been done with people that are currently working in this profession. So if you're like, oh, I really want to be an architect, so you can search up here for architect. It's going to give you a bunch of different architects that are currently working. So if we click on this one, for example, you can watch this quick informational interview. Each person's being interviewed answers these questions. They describe their job, they talk about what they love and what they're challenged with, advice on how to prepare, and then so there's some other ones, maybe some tips for success or how they use their critical thinking skills. It just kind of varies. So this week's assignment for the informational interview assignment, you're going to watch a few informational interviews that have been done, and you'll kind of summarize the 3 informational interviews that you watched, and then you'll answer these questions about it. So that's all you're responsible for this week. Again, we are in week 4 of 5, so we are almost done. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. I know the winter goes by fast, but yeah, hope you all have a good rest of your week.